So what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got something to show you real quick, something that kind of came in the mail today. I ordered it Thursday because that's when it was first came out, and it came today. Today's Monday, so it came really quick, so I was really surprised. But that might be because it came from traditionalpocketknives.com. They usually get stuff out pretty quick to me. I'm pretty excited about it. I've been waiting for this bad boy for like months now, and it finally came in stock, or not in stock, but was released. But it is the Lush from Divo Knives, as you can tell. But this is just some of the stuff that it came with. Kind of cool. A lot of stickers and everything. But kind of a cool little like 80s vibe box right there for you. Kind of reminds me of like the Miami Vice or something like that. I don't know why. It just kind of does. Has a Miami Vice feel. Let's get it open though and check it out though, because I'm pretty excited for this. It's got boxes inside of boxes. If I can get it out, maybe. There we go. Let's check it out. Obviously another little box, like I said. Alright. Didn't really come with anything else, but it came with that cleaning cloth, little thing. Kind of cool. I like that. Let's check it out. Like I said, I've been waiting for this thing for months just to come out. He had it on his channel off and on, just kind of doing like QC checks and stuff like that. But yeah, that's awesome. I really was surprised. I didn't know it was going to come with a top flipper, and it didn't look like it had a front flipper either, just because it's so small. And honestly, it doesn't. It opens it opens pretty well though. Let's try the top flipper. That's awesome. That's smooth. That opens very nice. It also has the fuller on both sides, as you can see. And obviously you can open it up. I was kind of surprised when I saw them open it that way. Yeah, it opens up pretty smooth that way. So it has 3 different ways of opening it. It does have a bolster lock. Now I want to look more into the bolster lock because I don't know exactly what that is, what that entails. Because it kind of, to me, it looks like a frame lock / liner lock. Obviously, maybe it's like in the middle type thing. It reminds me of a frame lock because it is a part of the frame, but you have this fat carbon fiber right here, obviously, on the outside of it. So I guess that's why. So it's a little bit of a mixture. I need to look it up. Or honestly, if you know exactly what it is, comment down in the comment section and let me know. Or I'll just go do some digging later, obviously. But yeah, just do some, let me know if you know it. If you know it better than I do, obviously, because it just reminds me of like the middle ground of a liner lock and a frame lock. So I don't know. I want to look into it. It does come with a wire. It does come with a wire pocket clip. I do like wire pocket clips. They do, work pretty well for me. I've had some other pocket clips lately kind of start failing me. Like I don't like them as much. Like I get them caught on stuff now. Obviously not so much like the mill titanium ones. Those are usually a little nicer for me too. But I haven't had any problems with any wire pocket clips. I went with the lava flow because I thought this would be the one that goes the quickest. Plus, I was like, I got a lot of blue knives, stuff like that. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Go with a little red. Put a little red in my life. But they also had this. They had a blue one. And they also had like the 80s camo, which is probably why they have like the box look like Miami Vice type thing. But actually, the 80s camo went first. Like I guess it went out in like the first 4 or 5 minutes, which is crazy because I didn't think that was going to happen. To me personally, I thought that was the ugliest of them. But I guess I was wrong. But then the blue one went out. And blue's my favorite color, so I was like, I just need to switch it up. So this one went, I think, the day after. It finally sold out the day after, maybe that night. But yeah, so they went quick. So if you didn't get one, find someone who's selling one, or I think they said they're going to do another iteration of it, but that's not until like summer, maybe late spring. One thing I really did like that they did also is this right here, this little jimping right there. It's like I can't remember who, Voxness. I think Voxness does this when he designs knives, and I really like that. I didn't know they were actually going to do that, but that actually works perfect for me because I like to stick my thumb out there quite a bit, and my thumb hits that perfect. And also, I guess you can use it right. You have a little bit of jimping right there. Obviously, it's mostly for the front flipper, but I think it's also for like your thumb, like when you're using the knife in general. But I would almost say that that's more for, right there. This jimping right here is more for the front flipper. I really do like the way the fat carbon fiber looks. I think I call it like lava flow or something like that. Let me show you guys real good. It does look pretty nice. I do like it. Now, it is titanium also. Titanium back spacer. It looks like it's got some T6 screws though for the carbon fiber. Not the pocket clip though. No, it doesn't, not the pivot screws. Yeah, they look all fine. Jimping is nice though. Like it's smooth, but it's aggressive. I would have to say, like that's kind of stupid to say. It doesn't make sense. It's smooth but aggressive at the same time. But I don't know. It does just work really well for the knife, especially for the jimping. Also for the front flipper and the top flipper. And I was really surprised that the top flipper is so easy to do. I really didn't even know it had a top flipper until like a few days before I bought the knife. And I saw a video from Lefty EDC, Kevin. He was showing it off, and he actually showed that obviously. And I was like, wow, that's kind of crazy because he was flipping it easy too. So that's awesome. That's a new way for me. I really like opening it like that. It is also S90V. Where's it at right there? There you go. There you go. Now you can see it. It does have some great steel on it. So this is also my first S90V. I've been wanting to get one of my own. I've done a couple reviews on them. I think the AMA Flicks too. That was my favorite one. I do want to get one of those still. That's probably the next on the one on my list that I have. One of my many on the list. But that's one of them I do want to buy that I probably will buy here in the next couple months. Just, gotta wait in between buying new knives and then knives to review, stuff like that. So I don't get a lot of knives to review without me paying for them, obviously. But yeah, that's all I really got on this. I'm really excited to carry this thing and kind of test it out. I love the shape of it. It is a nice sheep's foot. And I thought it would, I guess honestly, I thought it would be bigger. Hold on one second. Let me get my S-towel. It looked like my S-towel. And I don't know why they just kind of, I thought it would be bigger. You know what I mean? But honestly, like it looks really good together, to be honest with you. But it is a little smaller. If you have small hands like me, obviously you still have it, fit. And if you have them a little bit bigger, you have a little bit of room right there, little real estate right there for you. Nice thing is you can also choke up a little bit, and then right there you have plenty of room. I would just be careful and not obviously get yourself, because that would probably eat you up alive. But overall, great looking knife. I really like the way it looks. I'm really impressed so far for first impressions. I'll have to get back to you pretty soon on that final review because I'm going to carry the crap out of this thing just because it looks so nice. It is not really milled out on the inside, if you can tell right there. So it's not really heavy though either. It's still pretty heavy, but those scales kind of help out with that too. So, but that's all I got. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section. And if you also know exactly what a bolster lock is, like the definition, let me know exactly what it is so I don't have to go looking crazy looking for it. That's all I got though. Have a great rest of your day.